Hey, good morning, guys. It is Monday morning. This is going to be an eBay what sold video. I believe we have 6 to 8 items going out today, so stick around. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started today. eBay on Sunday was okay. We had a few sales come in. We had a lot of messages this weekend and today as well. We've had a lot of people asking a lot of questions. So today's video we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 7 items sell. Only 5 have paid, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull all of them just to show you guys what sold. And we're going to go ahead and get started. The first item is BS2B5, and I see it right back there. This is what they call a Swing Groover 2, and this is just the mechanical part where you can actually see it's like an indoor golf club swinging computer system, and this is just the screen. Now this attaches to a thing that has like a little ball on it, and you actually swing and hit it, and it tells you whether or not you're going to slice or any of that. So it was pretty cool. I wish I would have found the whole thing because the whole thing's worth about $100. The screen there we paid $1.99 for, and it sold for $12 plus the buyer paid shipping. The next item is a Ninja 12 tablespoon coffee and spice grinder. This is in BX21, which is going to be down here, I believe. Yep, probably underneath. There it is. It's all the way in the back. You guys probably can't see that very well from the lighting. This we sold on Amazon. It's brand new. I tested. I have a Ninja at home. So listed as a open damage box, and that sold for $27.99 free shipping. I'm sorry, that sold for $24.99 plus the buyer paid shipping. That is my bad on that. Okay, we're gonna go all the way down to the end here for a DVD, and this is Grease 2 on DVD, and this sold for a whole whopping $3.99 and free shipping. So we're gonna make, because this cost us $2.80 to ship, add in fees and all that, so it's about $3. So we're gonna make about $1 on this. There's a couple reasons why I'm selling these. We've had some comments. People are like, it's not worth your time, etc. It does help get your feedback score up. Not that we really need that because we have, I think, over 700 or 800 feedback. But this was donated into our bookstore, so it was free. And we got like 30 of these just like this, and then 30 of the other. It's Grease 2, but it's just a different one. So it took me about 3 minutes to list 30 of them. It takes me longer to talk about this DVD and why we're selling it than it does for me to ship it. So I'm making $1. It's kind of a quick flip. Probably not something I'd do in the future, but for right now I'm okay with still having them listed and shipping them out. Usually we sell DVDs for about $5, and then you can make a couple bucks, which makes it even more worth it. But for whatever reason, we accepted an offer for $3.99 on that. The next item is in, well, let's do that one last because it's books. We sold another DVD, and this DVD is in BS1D1, which is here, and it is called The Kent Chronicles DVD, The Bastard, The Rebels, The Seekers. It's got William Shatner in it. This sold for $24.64. It's brand new. This was also donated into the bookstore, and the buyer actually paid media shipping on it as well. So a nice little one there. I wish we could do all of these and not these, but I wish I would have gotten 30 of those. That would have been great. But no, that's a great flip. People are really into books and DVDs and board games and puzzles right now. There's a message from this next one. This is a big lot of 14. This is called the Cat Who Mystery Books. If you've never heard of these are pretty cool. They're all about a cat, and I've never read them, but they look really neat. These are in BS2D5. BS2D5 right here. The Cat Who Wasn't There. This is by Lillian Jackson Braun. I'm not sure how you say that. Sorry for the camera work as I pull these out. But as you can see, they're all the cat who played or the Cat Who series. And these sold for $19.99. It was a lot of 14. Buyer paid shipping. And the message that was sent was talked about, hello, I'm in quarantine in California along with my mother and my sister. Her mom apparently discovered this book series and has become hooked. They've looked around the library and any place that was open. Obviously, it's kind of hard to find that stuff right now. And she was so happy to find these. She's only read one of them, and she told us to be healthy and safe. So I love getting messages like that. We absolutely love getting messages where people are just ecstatic of what they find. And that is the biggest upside of being a reseller to me, is helping people find what they're looking for and at a price that they're willing to pay. It's a win-win for me. It's a win-win for them. And it's just an amazing feeling when that happens. There is a lot out there right now about price gouging and different things like that. So there is the downside to selling online and getting some of the nasty messages. We get those every once in a while, especially on Amazon. And our job is just to let the market kind of dictate the price and sell it and make a living. So love getting feedback like that when somebody buys something that they're really going to enjoy. So I thought I'd share that with you. All right, next up is a 24 pack. I don't know where, box 13. Where's box 13's down here, and it's completely full. It's 24 pieces of mini Pokemon figures. Now, where did I get 24 mini Pokemon figures? Well, I bought a set, and they're actually setting over here because I've got to relist them, of Bakugan Battle Brawlers with a case. And then I bought these, and they all came together. The case didn't come with it, but the Brawlers and the Pokemon came together. And I sold one of the Brawlers for $15, and I paid $5 for the whole set, and it came in a pencil box, which is right here. It actually came in this box right here. And there was these little Pokemon figures. Are kind of hard to see, and those were in there as well. And so I just lotted them up and sold them. I didn't know if anybody would buy them, and it sold for $10. Free shipping. It's going to cost us, you know, $3 probably to ship out. And I'm okay with doing that. Sometimes when you buy in lots like that, selling the little things helps you get your money back, and then it's kind of like icing on the cake. So got to get those relisted though, those Brawlers over there. There's a lot to list, a lot to do today. Like I said, it's Monday, so I'm going to spend the rest of my time listing. If orders come in today, I'll be sure to show them to you. If not, that's probably going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, comment with your questions or just your comments below, and we will talk to you guys soon. Alright guys, I almost forgot to show you the book set that I said we'd come back to at the end. And this is just a Harlequin romance. These books were donated into us. It is a lot of 11. These sold for $8 and the buyer paid shipping. So not a huge markup or anything. They're easy to ship. They're media mail, so they won't cost us too much to ship. And we got these for free. So we will get these on their way, and if any other orders come in, we'll update.